This is Guru Prasann from 3D Fully Design. My 3D certifications. This is a small antique solid wooden stool with 3 legs. Could be of teak wood. Overall dimensions in mm. Material of construction is teak wood. 3 legs plus 1 top, 4 disjoint pieces joined with nails. Pre-visualizing the final 3D design with the real and actual pick. We do 2D and 3D trainings for students. The reference sketch for full height of the stool, that is 238 mm, and 32 mm mark for the top thickness. A new plane created for the full height. A reference circle of dia 298 for legs base. Let's begin the main sketching. Sketching a circle of dia 262 for the top. Let's solidify the stool top with 32 mm thick. Stool top has been applied with teak wood, beveling the top bottom edge, rounding the top edge. Now I would begin sketching for first leg of the stool. Outer dia of leg's bottom is 298 mm. Sketch done with appropriate dimensions, relations and fully defined. Let's solidify the leg to a thickness of 19 mm symmetrically. Let's sketch for first cut of leg for weight reduction. Sketch completed and fully defined. Making first cut on the leg symmetrically for weight reduction. Copying the previous sketch onto opposite side of leg and positioned. Similarly, making second cut on the leg. Added suitable rounds and bevels to sharp edges. Let's rotate upside down, add a nail and hammer it. By using patterns, duplicating leg and nail to 3 numbers 120 degrees apart. Let's rotate upside down to view the finished stool model. Approx final weight 1.4 kg. Viewing the final exploded view. Detailing done for manufacturing with a weldment cut list. Finally, realistic 3D rendered images.